To do the double twist loop cast on, you can see a couple here. You're going to have your working yarn coming out of your palm, around your index, and around your thumb to your needle. You'll start with a slip knot and a short tail. So this is the working yarn. You're going to bring up the loop that is coming from your palm, go down on the loop that's between, bring that loop in between the two loops on your thumb, and then release everything and pull gently to close. And you'll see it wraps around as you're creating that cast on. Once again, from the palm, around the index, around the thumb, reach up the yarn that's coming from your palm, push down and around the yarn between your thumb and index, come up through those two loops that are coming from your thumb, release both fingers, and pull gently. And you'll see you get that kind of twist all the way around. It gives it a neat looking edge. One last time, around, come up through the palm, down and around that loop you just made, and up through the thumb. That is the double twist loop cast on. I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.